How to share WhatsApp group link without admin. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to share WhatsApp group link without admin. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now head towards any particular group and then you have to select the info at top of the screen. Scroll down. Now here you will get the option to invite via link. Select that. And you can send link via WhatsApp, copy the link and you can paste it anyway. Tap share link or you can also send the QR as well. So let's tap copy link and you can paste on any social media platform or you can send it to any users on WhatsApp. So this was the case when simply you are the admin. But on the group where you are not the admin, you simply need to go ahead and check. So when you scroll down, you'll see that you are not the admin of this group and we don't find any of the option to show WhatsApp group link without admin. So currently, WhatsApp doesn't provide us the option to share WhatsApp group link without admin. So you need to be up to date every time whenever WhatsApp brings those features on WhatsApp. So for that, make sure to subscribe and like this video to get more tech and tips videos on this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.